everyone. Autumn and Diane here. We've got Autumn as a kitten and we plan to do some traveling, and I want to be able to take her on our trips with us and be able to take her when we go hiking with us. I had made her a carrier, kind of a purse style carrier that she really wasn't going to be comfortable in for a very long hike. So what I did, here sweetheart, is I bought a backpack for her that would make it a much more comfortable environment for her for when we are hiking. So I just got this in the mail. So you want to take a look at your new thing that I got you? So this is the bottom. It's nice and padded and it's fairly rigid. And this here is the backpack. So why don't we go ahead and assemble this and see how Autumn likes it. Come here, sweetie. Sit this way. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open this up, and we're going to zip. Well, look at that. She's already crawling in to check it out. We're going to zip the bottom in place. The one nice feature I liked about this particular pack was it has some little extra locking pieces so that that zipper cannot come undone. I've heard of some people having cats that as the zipper maybe starts to open, the cat gets her paws in there. Okay, so another thing I liked is this particular model here. It's got a padded area that rests against this bottom rigid part. That'll help cushion your back as you're carrying your pet. Okay, well, she's already in here. How about that? What do you think? Are you liking this? Can we put the bottom in? Let's see here. So you just take and insert the bottom into there. And you want to check it out again here? It also has an opening in the front. Undo the little extra safety latches. I can get that undone. Yeah, you won't be getting out of there. There. So we've got a screened area here. The top has a screened area with another safety latch here. So as you're hiking, if you wanted, you have a cat that likes to maybe peek out the top, you could open that up. It also has a safety leash. So when Autumn is wearing her harness, you've got a safety leash to attach to it to help keep her from being able to jump out and get away from you. What do you think of this? Is it pretty nice? There's also window on the side. This way. A nice big pouch here. We've got a couple of collapsible water dishes or a food bowl. I think I'll fit perfect in there. And there you go. And on this side, it's got a water bottle holder and a place for, you can put other little items in this little pocket here. This seems fairly rigid all around, so I don't expect that it will, you know, collapse down some and squish her as we're taking our hike. You can just close this all the way up around. I really do like that it has the little extra safety latches so that your cat can't undo the zippers or they can't get them themselves. Oh, she found her treats. Come here. Here's your treat. And another thing I liked about this is got a carry handle here, got nice padded straps back here, and on these straps they've got a chest strap to keep the backpack close to you, And it also has a waist strap that will help keep the backpack from bouncing on your back. It'll keep it nice and snug around your waist. So we're gonna go try this out. Okay, well, we've got the backpack on. Looks like she's checking everything out. Autumn seems to be liking it. She's not trying to jump out. It's really pretty comfortable. I like that the chest strap has got some extra length of strapping so you can adjust it to fit people of different sizes. My husband's a lot taller and bigger, so this will be nice. The strap on the side here is nice and wide. It makes it comfortable. That padding on the back part here really does help keep this from digging into your back. She seems to be pretty comfortable in there. Hey, you wanna come up? Want a treat? Here. Nope, she seems to be liking it in here. She's not trying to get out. Can you see her at all? So I think this is gonna really be a nice choice for us to take her hiking with us. Come here, little one. Want to have a snack? So come along and watch the adventures of Autumn and me and see how it is she likes taking and hiking and traveling with us. Oh, there you are.